Hello everyone, thanks for tuning into the channel. Today I got you guys a video with the PlayStation 4 software that's coming out very soon for beta only. It's coming out for beta users only. If you sign up for it, then you should be in an email shortly. So I'm going to be reading this off from PlayStation's blog, just from it, and explaining to you what features they have added. And there's probably other features they've added, just these are the main ones. So the first one they've added is the UI refresh. We've made a lot of adjustments and improvements to the PS4's main user interface. That includes some changes you may notice right away, like new system backgrounds and a revised What's New tab, to smaller changes like updated pop-up notifications and redesigned system icons. As a whole, it all adds up to a more refined and easy-to-use UI. The overall look and feel of the UI remains the same. It just has a fresh coat of paint. Okay. So they kind of changed the way the user interface works, and it makes it where it navigates easier, so that helps. Now they changed the quick menu up a little bit, actually a lot. They changed it a lot, but it is a lot better. As you know, pressing and holding the PS button on your DualShock 4 brings up the quick menu. We've overhauled this menu to make it faster and easier to use. One big change is that the menu now only covers a portion of the screen, meaning you don't need to leave gameplay entirely. We've added several new items to the quick menu, letting you quickly get info without having to back to the home screen. You can see the online status of your friends and shortcuts to quickly access your party, favorite groups, communities, and more. You can also customize the quick menu, removing or adding items as you see fit. So it's pretty cool. It's a lot better, and as you guys see on the screen, it's very, very good. You know, you can still see your gameplay, but you can also access the party and stuff like that. In my opinion, it kind of seems like Xbox, because when I see this, it's looking like Xbox. Just saying. But that's what I mean. I've had an Xbox One before, and that's what it's looking like to me. Kind of looks like an Xbox. Next thing they changed is the share menu. We've given similar overhaul to the share menu, which appears once you press the share button on your DualShock 4. Like the quick menu, it only covers a portion of the screen. A little bit larger though. It's like half your screen, while the other one's like a fourth of your screen. It will save the last social network you shared video clips or screenshots to, making the process of sharing a screenshot or video a bit faster and more streamlined. You can also upload longer video clips to Twitter. It was 10 seconds, now you can now up to 140 seconds. So if you guys like it to upload videos to like Twitter, then you can upload 130 seconds longer. So, you know, that's good. That's something I'm not going to do, but that's something some other people might do. Something they added which seems pretty good. It kind of changes your PlayStation home screen, so it kind of helps out if you guys would like to be organized and stuff like that. So they had folders and library organization. One of the big requests we get is for more options to organize content on PS4. With this update, we're adding functionality to create folders on PS4's content launcher and library. This will help collect your favorite games and select apps in one place for quick and easy access. We're also making some pretty big changes to the library. We've added a new tab called Purchased, which will show all the content you own, games, applications, demos, and betas you participated in. As a result, the Games and Applications tab focus on content currently installed on your system. This should help declutter your library and make it faster to find the content you're looking for. There are some new sorting tools for your library as well. You'll be able to sort content by purchase date or install status, and search for specific games and apps via a text input. So that's pretty cool. You'll be able to find the games you want and customize your library, your PlayStation home screen, to get the games that you want, to play the games that you want or whatever you want on your home screen. It's a lot faster. They changed up the UI, as I said. It's easier to navigate, and it's faster and better. Next, we got the trophy improvements. This update brings the ability to view the trophy offline. You'll see a new offline mode option if your system is unable to connect to the network, letting you view your entire trophy collection without an internet connection. We've also added a button that will let you view the content of a hidden trophy. the trophy will still be hidden by default, but you can now choose to show the trophy name and info. Lastly, we're changing the icons that show how rare a trophy is instead of 4 boxes that fill the icons like a pyramid with the ultra rare trophies at the top. So that kind of helps out a lot. You know, you can easily just go out there on the internet and look for a trophy's hidden icon or whatever. So I mean, if you want to know what a hidden trophy is, you can easily just go on the internet, search it up, and you'll be able to find it easily. But now they're making it where you can just do that from the PlayStation. You can eliminate that one step. So last, we got the user profile. They changed it up a little bit. We've updated the look of the user profile, making it easier to see relevant info for a player at a glance. For instance, you can now see your trophy progress compared with another player right from their profile. You can also add a background image to your own profile, perhaps a screenshot you took in one of your favorite games. So that is cool. I think, you know, customizing your profile is a big thing. It's going to be cool. So that's something that a lot of people probably wanted and everything like that. It looks a lot better, it looks a lot modern, looks pretty good as you see on the screen. So the update has even more features that won't be available in the beta, so stay tuned for additional info on what to expect. We'll be back with more info on 4.0, including its launch date in the coming weeks. So guys, if you thought this information was helpful in any way, make sure to hit that like button, and also comment down below what you think about this update and all that stuff. And if you guys are new to the channel and you enjoy this content, hit that subscribe button so you guys can see when all the uploads I do. Anyway guys, I'll see you in the next video.